Alright, so congratulations, you have now completed the entire course. It's absolutely fantastic, well done, you have done very well, I am proud of you. Now, you should be able to do everything I've taught you very well, you should be very happy with it, and hopefully you did enjoy the course. If you did, please leave a nice review, and I'll be very happy. And yeah, so let's just have a quick talk about what you should now be able to do. You should now understand what SEO is, why we use it, which is great things to understand, of course. And then you should definitely understand the free tips that I gave you and understand how to do the free tips. And then you should know what keywords are, how to use the keyword research tool which I showed you earlier in the course, how to create a keyword list, and my best keyword strategy, which I have also showed you, which is absolutely fantastic and awesome. You should then know what on-page SEO is and how to optimize the homepage of your website for search engines to get more visitors. And also how to optimize a blog post on your website, again, for search engines to get more visitors and to appear higher in the search engines like Google. And then finally, you should understand what offsite SEO is, how to create backlinks for your website, how to work on SEO for local businesses and how to find clients and customers near your location, so local to you basically. And finally, how to use social media to get more visitors to your website. And after that, at the very end, I gave you a few extras, which is just a YouTube statistics tool and Canva, which is a design tool. Both are free and both are absolutely fantastic. So those videos are going to be very helpful for you. And then after that, there was just a little bonus showing you how to get any of our courses for $10 or £10 or whatever currency you use. So yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. Hopefully you all enjoyed this course. If you did, please leave a nice review. I'm very grateful for everyone that took this course. I'm very happy that you have completed it, and you should be proud of yourself, and you will now receive a certificate showing that you have completed the course. So yeah, that's that. Thank you, and I'll see you in another course soon, hopefully. Goodbye.